Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about some things that we should have done to make this. I see that our code is are clocking almost 114 lines of code. We can reduce all these things to the simplest, but because I want is for beginner to easily understand what we are doing, I'm not going to reduce it because I can make use of functions to handle something, because I can try to put all this inside a function, and then I can give it a parameter to choose whether if it's that of player one and that of player two to handle it. But I decided to make it like this, so beginner can understand how this actually works. Let me explain. If you understand how this player one works, that's basically what we did for player two. Let me explain a little bit about this player one. So player two, you can easily understand this pp L1 is a new variable I created that's going to hold any value that's being gotten from here. I know that the value we are going to get from here is get of from 1 to 9. So since we know that it's going to be a number, a numeric number, so we'll change it to an integer. So with that, to make the condition to this ppl, or what this pp are talking about, this guy is equals to 1. Yeah, if let's say in a situation whereby is equals to 1, this post 1 is talking about this variable right here. So that's what it's talking about. And this pp L1 is talking about this variable right here. It's talking about it because here we're changing the values that is inside of here. So that's just basically what it was equals to 1, and then that if it was equals to 1, that post 1 is going to be changed to, let's say it was x that player 1 decided to choose, so we're going to change it to here is automatically going to be x. In case of it, that is what player 1 is choose. So that's just basically what I did for the other ones, to manipulating the variable, manipulating the variables on the long run. So after that, I need to update our board. That's why I brought it down here. So after this is done, because if I didn't update it, it's still going to be a little bit cranky, because the board right here, because we know we made a board initially, the board right here is inheriting from this guy. So if I don't want to use the board right here, I can remove it, just put it down here, so put it down here so it can inherit from the value that is being changed here. If I don't put it, if I try to run the board, okay, let's run and see that. Let's say I didn't update it. Let's see what is gonna happen. So let's run the script. Player 1 select between x or O. Let's say I choose x. So where do you want to place? I want to play in 5. You can see nothing got changed. You can see, unlike before, nothing got. Let's say player 2, where do you want to play 9. Nothing got changed. Our ball still remained dormant like how it is. But what happened when I uncomment this out? So I've uncommented it by Control Z. You can see our board here is live, is inheriting from what I've been changed. Let me run it again. Let me bring this up. Player 1, let's say I set to choose X. I can set to choose X or O. So where do you want to choose? Let's say I want to play in 5. So you can see 5 got changed here. And player 2, where do you want to play 9? You can see it got changed from 9 to 0. So that's just basically what I want us to look at this video, to explain how these things actually work. The same principle applied to that of player 1 also apply to that of player 2. There's no difference, just the variable name change. Let's know that we're referring to that of player 2. And also here we need to give it a little bit of space, so it won't be joining with the current thesis. So by using the break line, let's apply one here too. So I think this is why I did it, because when we run the script down here, you can see all these three things were merging together, which is not entertaining to look or to watch. So I want to print out the board so player 1 can know where is even playing. So with this a little bit changes, let's run and see improvement. You can see player 1 select between X or O. Let's say I decided to choose O. You can see player 1 yeah O and player 2 yeah X. You can see the board got printed out before player 1 can select. Let's say I want to play at number 3, so I just select 3. You can see it changed to O. So that of player 2 turn. Let's say player 2 want to play in 4, just select 4. So you can see player 2 became X and that of O. So you can see the board is looking beautiful and nice. So this should be the end for this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also like and share. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.